Hi everyone, Namaskar. Myself Pawan Kumar with Understanding Mathematics. Today I am here to talk about SSC CPO SI. As I was also the part of SSC CPO SI 2018 qualifier, but I was sorted out in the height measurement. So here, since I was able to qualify this exam in the first attempt itself under the category of ex-serviceman. So I could see the PET and PST also. There I could see that both the ex-servicemen and freshers are sit together and they are given badge number also. Since there is no PET for the ex-servicemen, only PEST is there. Still, I would like to advise here, I could see that many of the people injured in the process of physical endurance test and physical standard test. Many cases were there of fractured. So here, those who are the qualifier of SSC CPO Tier 1 examination, certainly they will be going to face the physical endurance test and physical standards test. So as far as ex-servicemen are there, they need not to worry about physical endurance test since it is exempted for them. Only physical standards tests are there. So if you are having the exemption of height measurement, then please do carry the required exemption certificate with you. As I was also asked to produce the height exemption certificate if you have, but I don't have with me. And my height measured was 169.2 centimeter. Whereas for the Delhi police, they were asking 170 and above centimeter. As I could see, the cutoff for the ex-servicemen in the SSC CPO 2018 as well as in SSC CPO SI 2019 examination stands at 40 marks only. So regarding physical endurance test, for the sake of freshers, I would like to say that they should have good quality pair of shoes with them which should not slip. Also, they should practice well for the running, jumping and other activities to avoid the injury or fractured condition. Moreover, they should take sufficient dietary food also, and if required they should take guidance from the known physical mentors. They should use timer while running. It will be beneficial for them. Also, they should have some sort of pain reliever with them and some sort of bandages, so that in case of any injury or any problem they can immediately use that. Practice, practice, practice. As I used to say, some things are not within our hand. जैसा कि मैं कभी कभी कहता आया हूँ कि हर चीज़ में से अगर हम कहें कि कुछ एक चीज़ें हमारे हाथ में नहीं है, तो इनमें से एक ये हाइट मेजरमेंट वाली बात भी है. इस हाइट मेजरमेंट में हमारे हाथ में नहीं है, अगर किसी प्रकार से कम पड़ रहा है, स्टिल इफ यू आर अवेयर हाउ टू बूस्ट द हाइट, if it is less, you can use that things. And for the physical endurance test and physical standard test, please do let the physical standards and physical medical parameters be checked before going to the concerned physical endurance and physical standards test center. At the centers, I could see facility of night stay is mostly available in the nearby places at affordable rates like 200 rupees per night or 3 to 400 per night rupees. Rest is the fooding charges, so nothing costs much. At the same time, the physical standards test or physical endurance tests are carried out at the centers of ITBP, CRPF and similar paramilitary forces. So the staff available is quite cordial. Unnecessary कोई किसी को परेशान नहीं करता है, but they always seek to maintain discipline, because these services, as far as belt services are concerned, discipline is the most important part to be followed, because here channelized structure is there, one above the other, ranks are available, so maintain that. Canteen facilities are also available inside the campus, you can make use of that. Still you should have some sort of biscuits and light eating material with you, because freshers are asked to participate in the physical endurance test first, and those who qualify, thereafter their physical standard test is carried out. After that, for the ex-servicemen, physical standards are carried out. So there is a ample time to wait there. So you have to be patient enough, and you should not be in hurry. Be polite, be mannered, whether you are fresher or ex-serviceman. Please do carry out physical exercises like running, jumping, at least to maintain your physique. There should be some sort of glow on your face. By looking that, your charm should be reflected there. So with this, I would like to share my result also, that can be seen, and after that I will conclude my discussion here itself. So thanks for being with me. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being on our channel. धन्यवाद.